Hi everyone, my name is Calvin. I'm from Daulsoft. Today I would like to share with you a very hot topic. It's called rapid e-learning, and nowadays everybody is not talking about what is rapid e-learning. It's no longer about e-learning but rapid e-learning. So for the next few minutes I would like to share with you about what is rapid e-learning, why rapid e-learning, and what are the selection criteria for rapid e-learning. So let's start. Well, before we move on to details about rapid e-learning, maybe we would like to see, look at the challenges about in content development, e-learning content development. I think we all know that most of the e-learning content development takes a very long time. You need to spend months and months sometimes to create simple e-learning content. And the second challenge is about knowledge gap. In traditional e-learning content development, contents are developed by developer, but the knowledge is from the subject matter expert. So it bounds to have this situation where there's a knowledge gap, where the transfer of knowledge from the subject matter expert to the developer. Next is also, most of the time the content development is done in a group. It's not going to be one person job, but it's a group, a teamwork, where it consists of instructional designer, graphic designer, flash programmer, project manager, not forget about our customer, the subject matter experts, and so on. So it bounds to have this challenge where the communication breakdown is always happen in e-learning content development. Managing expectation is another aspect where it's very subjective when it comes to the content for e-learning. How the content be presented is always a lot of different expectations from different individuals. So managing expectation is also a big challenge. The next challenge is always a lack of guidelines or framework in content development. So, well, of course, there are many more challenges you may can think of, but maybe at this point, I would say these are the main challenges when we see how rapid e-learning come into the picture and overcome the challenges. Okay, so the next question will be, what is rapid e-learning? Rapid e-learning basically is a web-based training courses that can be created in weeks. It's no longer talking about months and years, So because a lot of content nowadays need to be developed in weeks, and it's always developed by the subject matter expert. It's not just by the developer. And the ability to produce interactive learning materials, I think that is very important, because when we talk about learning, it's not about presentation. So it's about interactive learning materials. It's not a presentation material which is normally linear. So just to give you some idea about rapid e-learning, actually it's quite amazing. For the past 1 or 2 years, actually it grows very fast. It's about 50% of the e-learning market nowadays, and it's going to go outpace to other categories of e-learning in the coming months. So then you may ask, why rapid e-learning? I think rapid e-learning comes at the right time, where now authoring tools is very easy. So it's easy to use. It doesn't require much specialized knowledge or skill in content development. And it allows the content, why rapid e-learning? Because it allows e-learning to be created in a faster way. Things like in the 3 or 4 weeks time, and easily do it without much technical challenge. And thirdly, because most of the organization is also looking into the aspect of lowering the cost of productions. So, and this fit very well, rapid e-learning fit very well to this objective, because it doesn't require many people to do it, and it can do it within a very short period of time. So indirectly or directly, the cost definitely will be reduced. And another aspect of it is nowadays we find that e-learning requires a lot of updates or changes. So changes is something that is required in e-learning. So it's no longer developed for once and forever. So content need to be updated, and that's where rapid e-learning fit well as well. Okay, and lastly, content need to be repackaged because of the SCORM standard and all that. So we most of the rapid e-learning content now need to be repackaged easily.